Removing a background in Canva is a quick and easy process using the Background Remover tool, a feature available for Canva Pro users. This tool helps you eliminate unwanted backgrounds from images, making your designs look cleaner and more professional. Follow these simple steps to remove the background in Canva. First, log in to Canva, and create a new design. Click on Chi Uploads to upload the image you want to edit, or choose an image from Canva's library. Drag and drop the image onto the side canvas, then select it. Next, click on Ease Edit Image from the top toolbar and select Background Remover. Canva will automatically detect and remove the background in just a few seconds. If the removal isn't perfect, use the Queries UI and Trace Restore tools to manually adjust areas that need fine-tuning. After removing the background, you can add a new background by selecting an image, color, or pattern from Canva's Course Elements Uploads section. Resize and position your image as needed to fit the design. Once you're happy with the final result, click Share, then on Download, and choose PNG with transparent background or JPG. If you want to keep a solid background, the whole Background Remover tool is available only for Canva Pro users. But if you're using the free version, you can try alternative tools, like Remove.be to remove backgrounds before uploading the image to Canva. Using this feature can help create professional thumbnails, marketing materials, and creative designs effortlessly. Try it out today and take your Canva designs to the next level.